To start off, go to the laundry room in your residence and tap your UTS student ID on the laundry controller. Input the number of the available washing machine or dryer you want to use and press OK, and then OK again to confirm your selection. Next, load your washing into the machine or dryer, being careful not to overload. There should always be a bit of empty space left in the machine so it can wash or dry your clothes properly. When using powder detergent, place it directly into the machine, not into the tray. Liquid detergent may be placed into the tray or directly into the machine. Confirm your wash settings and the machine's timer will start. To use the dryer, tap your student ID again and select an available dryer. Place your washing into the selected dryer. Check the lint filter and clean it if necessary. Confirm your dryer's settings and the timer will start. Once finished, just pick up your clean laundry. Did you know you can receive text alerts when your laundry is complete? To set it up, just update your My Monitor notification preferences. If your washing is left in the machines for too long, it will be moved into the lost clothing basket in your laundry room. Don't leave washing baskets, bags or detergent in the laundry room. Housing will not track them down if they are taken or lost. Always check the washing instruction tags of your laundry to avoid any damage.